that this is called Volcanic Opal. This is absolutely stunning to me. Just look at this. So, I mean, have you ever seen anything like this? At first I thought, oh, it resembles tiger's eye just a little bit, but this is actually volcanic opal. So did this spew out of the volcano?
Yeah, actually.
And this is really like part of the explosion? It's like,
right.
that's fascinating.
I mean, this is how this is formed. It's really amazing. Well, number one, the two materials that I base my business is turquoise number one, opals are number two. I literally, all of my trips start with either going to a turquoise mine, turquoise deposit, or a new opal mine or a new opal find. This was one of the ones in Madagascar. They named it volcanic opal, but there's a reason for that. This is actually, they find it in big balls about the size of a coconut or the size of like a bowling ball.
Really?
I mean,
wow, that's huge.
And what it is that in the dig,
that is
so
huge.
in the dig that they have, that they go in, it's like now, of course, this has been millions of years, so it's compact, but it's the volcanic ash, which is now, compacted, but inside of the volcanic ash, it covered these balls, these spheres, and that's where the opal is contained inside those spheres. So as they're mining it, how they do it is they go through, they do the dig, they remove what used to be volcanic ash, which is now metamorphic rock, so, and then inside they'll find these spheres, and they take that and they chip that sphere out, and then they collect the spheres. So when you first look at the deposit and the material, it looks like they've stacked cannonballs up, in big piles, or you got like stacks of coconuts, and then you take and cut it. But you see this is all, it's all,
so
opals are all silica, so they're silica based. And every one of these will be uniquely different in their own right. But if you're the kind of person who loves, you can actually see the clear seam in this.
Yes, I see it.
Okay, the whole thing is opal. That's just where you're seeing the seam of the clear silica. The clear, there's clear opal. A lot of that can even be precious in there, where you'll actually see it, where it's got the what they call opalescence, where you'll see the glow. And
I'm going to put this with some different colors. Keep
what
talking.
you're seeing is you're seeing the light refraction. But if you're a collector and you're an opal person and you like to have all the different varieties, this might be something you might want to consider. This is a mine find. Of course, there is no volcanic opal actual mine where they just mine this thing 24/7. This is a group of people. They went out, they stayed on site for about a month and a half, 2 months.
It's just gorgeous.
Whatever they got, and then we bought everything. We bought all the material that they had from that one dig.
And I love the scalloped frame. So the silversmith work is impeccable craftsmanship. And can we remove this? Is this a Hanser bell that you can actually remove? So you can remove this. And
that comes off.
It's kind of like a 2-in-1. So you can wear the necklace, and then you can pair the pendant with different material if you'd like.
Or you can even do a lot of people, they'll do the collar. They'll do a collar with a pendant. Or like you say, you could wear it with something else. And then like if maybe you just want the necklace, or maybe you just want the pendant. That's, it's just one of the things that we do to make it more wear-friendly, user-friendly. Also, what we try to do is give you the biggest bang for the buck.
Yeah, so and you're actually saving $40 today. We've knocked $40 off the necklace and the pendant, so if that speaks to you, I would get it home, snatch this up, because it's brand new, mined in Madagascar, and it's $31 and some change to get home. Rare opal from a volcano. I mean, that's fascinating. The fact that you even hear about that.
Well, even a lot of the opal